7 days, 35 captions, 0 blank screen moments staring at a photo wondering what to write. By the end of the week, posting felt easy, almost fun, and the engagement on those posts was genuinely better than usual. All because of one small shift, handing the caption writing job to ChatGPT and learning exactly how to talk to it. Here's the prompt style that made the biggest difference. Most people try ChatGPT for captions once, get something generic, and give up. And that's fair, because the generic version is kind of bad. But the problem isn't ChatGPT, it's the prompt. That's just the instruction you type in. Instead of typing, "Write me an Instagram caption," try this. Write an Instagram caption for a photo of describe your photo. My vibe is casual, funny, inspirational. Pick one. My audience is who follows you. Keep it under 150 characters and end with a question. That last part matters. Ending with a question is one of the oldest tricks in social media because it invites comments. ChatGPT just does it automatically now. Open ChatGPT, free version works perfectly, no subscription needed. Paste that structure in, swap the brackets for your actual details, and hit enter. What comes back will surprise you. It's specific. It sounds like a real person, and it takes about 15 seconds. And if this kind of practical AI stuff is useful to you, Stack Future drops one of these every day. Okay, but the prompt alone isn't the whole trick. Here's where most people stop short. They get a decent caption and post it, but there's one extra step that takes it from fine to actually sounds like me. After ChatGPT gives you a caption, type back. Now rewrite that in a more relaxed, sarcastic, warm, hype tone, like I'm texting a friend. That one follow-up changes everything. Because AI, artificial intelligence, the technology behind ChatGPT, is trained on massive amounts of writing, which means it can shift tone really well. It just needs to be told. Actually, hang on. There's an even faster version of this if you're doing it regularly. At the start of your ChatGPT session, type, "My Instagram voice is casual and a little funny. I never sound corporate. Keep that in mind for everything I ask today." Now, every caption in that session will carry your vibe without you having to repeat yourself. It's like briefing an assistant before a shift. ChatGPT holds that context for the whole conversation. Day one feels a little weird. Handing off something creative to a tool you're still figuring out, that takes a second to get comfortable with. By day 3, you stop second-guessing it. The real rhythm becomes take photo, describe it in one sentence, paste your prompt, tweak 1 or 2 words if needed, post. The whole thing takes maybe 2 minutes. Compared to the 15-minute spiral of staring at a blank caption box, that's a pretty significant shift. One thing worth knowing, ChatGPT sometimes gets the hashtags wrong. Too many, too random. Just tell it, only include 3 hashtags, all relevant to your niche, and it corrects itself immediately. You can always ask it to adjust anything. By the end of the week, the captions felt more consistent too. Because the prompts were similar each day, the voice stayed steady across posts. That kind of consistency is actually really good for growing an audience, even if it doesn't feel like a big deal in the moment. Honestly, the biggest thing from this whole experiment, captions stopped being the thing that made posting feel like homework. The creative part, taking the photo, choosing the moment, that stayed yours. ChatGPT just handled the blank page. Tomorrow's video is going to go even deeper. Why I stopped writing my own captions and started using ChatGPT for everything. It's a direct follow-up to this one and worth watching back to back. If this helped, tap the like button. It actually makes a real difference for a channel this size and takes about half a second. See you tomorrow.